you say shelf is sweet. I'm a look for bread. No bread. Shelf clean. Clean, clean, clean.
It was bread done.
Exactly. I look for no bread. No bread. Put your this up for me. No bread. No, sir. If you tell me, this is history. I've never seen this before. The place ain't sweep, clean. But watch out, when the bowler could have substitute the bread, no bowler either. Shelf sweep. No matter I've never seen nothing like this before. Shelf them. So people getting their merry way, getting by. Preparing for Hurricane Melissa. And so start. So the rain start harder, start to fall harder, and people getting by their merry way. Well, surprising to see a lot of person on the road. They don't want to see in a supermarket. When I went in the supermarket just now, I thought the supermarket wasn't going to be full. To my surprise, it is more than full. Even the shelves are swept. The shelves are swept. Clean. No bulla, no breads. So no breads, no bullas. Some of the pastries, some of the like sugar bun, cinnamon roll, donuts, all of those things, they are not there on the shelves. They're swept. Well, it is what it is. Mm-hmm. It is what it is. Hello. So you see a little bit of rain and the water start run already. Then what when it start fall harder than this? What's going to happen? What is gonna happen? Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, man. Oh, you saying I can pressure? I don't mean I can. Exactly. Oh god. So what's the white? I can't see nothing up Breadness Hill way. Nothing up Breadness Hill side. Nothing. Ooh. And the rain a blow. So time look. The time look very very dangerous. see the sky? Sky. Time is still a little. You see how it close? Yes, up online, neighbor have close online. God, we don't know, so we have to go take care of. But we put them under shed. They're under shed anyway, but under shed. Mm. So go on the soccer video.
Upper lunch this midday, you know. Yeah, man. Be things are going on now. On the tree them. The dance, everything I dance, you know. I take a view of outside place. Some place white off. Down a burger yard there, they all stop there. I read all stop a burger. A burger yard. I read all stop. And down a buggy yard there, so. Now house there down a buggy yard. Next one over on CC. This one out of Sidani. Sidani William. Roll up a mall, you know. It's out of Sidani. Yeah. And next one they know we must be up a bunny them. They had on the beach there up a bunny them. Each tree they dance like stone over play. Yeah. There's still a garden yard there now. This is a garden yard. The back Barack Obama one. This is a long and Sidani place. Three them a dance you know like big sound string up in the land. It's all Lanchi up to Balanchi there. He have been go to your house corner there. I take in the cool breeze and concern about what are going. Digital pole standing firm you know. You don't know what go on for tomorrow. If it will be flat on the ground. Yes, I get white off you know. White breeze of blow. Like a Melissa favorite color this. White. Fog up. Someone look come on here. Now go shelter fit.